Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to disable notifications on Pinterest. So to disable notifications is quite simple. From the home menu, you click on your profile icon at the top right corner, then click on view profile, then click on edit profile, and you can see notifications by the left side here. Click on it and then you can see notifications, so you can now turn it off. So I just simply turn it all off. Do not want it at all. So my email also turn off all. You can see push notifications, then turn off all. It's as simple as that. That is how to disable notifications of Pinterest. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like, don't forget to also click on save to save your settings. And do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks.